Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well and are doing okay during these difficult times. Someone just fell from my ceiling. So going back, I was in Superdrug with one of my friends and I saw that they brought out a Korean face care skincare range and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect for a video for me to try. So for this, I have a cherry blossom hand cream. I have a under eye mask and a lip mask. I also have a charcoal clay bubble mask. Now I've been wanting to try a bubble mask for so long now. I have a dual rubber wrapping mask. Now when I saw this at first I thought it was like a really weird looking thing, but I'm actually quite excited to try this because it looks really good. Finally, I have an acai berry revitalizing sleeping mask. So let's get started. Now, I have already swilled my face. So this one is Refreshing Pore Care. It's an oxygen bubbling mask. It purifies troubled skin with a combined power of activated bicon, charcoal, kaolin and bentonite clay. I can't pronounce any of this. I'm just gonna dampen my face over. I have to prepare the mask by rubbing it up and down. Really difficult to open. I'm going to rate these out of 10. So far this is like literally a 3 because it is impossible to open. It's quite weird smelling. It almost smells like toxic.
I'm quite looking forward to this day because hopefully my skin will get better.
Oh, you hear that? Now is that one done? So now I've just got to wait till the bubbles form, and then once they've formed you then rub it in with wet hands and then you take it off. I don't know if you can hear, but this makes such a funny noise. Oh, my eyes are really green today. How are you supposed to know when it's all finished foaming up and it's going to foam up as much as it can go? It's been a while now. I haven't really seen much of a difference in like the thickness of the bubbles. So I'm going to take it off. I'm actually getting it on my eyes as well, which is really annoying. I've also discovered that I literally do not have the patience to do this. Oh my god, this was not a good idea. This was not a good idea.
Life decisions.
I am literally regretting every decision I've made today, but my skin feels pretty good. My skin hasn't flared up at all, and oh my god, my skin's like, it's not smooth, it's tight, but it feels good. My nose is like shiny. I really like this mask. If it weren't for the fact that it was like impossible to open and also like didn't leave my face feeling soft, then I'd rate it a 10, but I think I'm gonna rate it around 8. The next masks we have to try is a lip mask and an under eye mask. Now I have quite baggy eyes, like, and marks because I stay up too late, so I'm always tired. I rub my eyes a lot. I probably shouldn't rub my eyes, but I do rub my eyes a lot. So we are going to put the under eye mask on and then the lip mask at the same time. These ones are 20 to 30 minutes. I don't have the patience for this at all. So far they smell really nice. So I don't know how to feel about this because actually you have this and then you have this. I'm assuming it's this that you put under your eyes. I don't know what I'm doing. If this was a highlighter, I would literally like die for it. I'm not sure how like high up under your eye is supposed to go. My OCD can't handle the fact that I can't get them at equal. So this is a lip mask. Now firstly, who has lips this big? So for me, I've always struggled with really, really dry lips. Like you can literally see they're all cracked and everything. I've tried every lip balm under the sun. I can put lip balm all the time. I can do all sorts and it just does not want to work. So hopefully this is going to work. So I'm going to shut up talking because I'm not going to be able to talk with this. But look how big it is. Really big. I really cannot work this out for the life of me. It's bad. Right, I can talk again, which is brilliant. Quite honestly, I just feel sticky. Actually, my under eyes have lightened up a little bit, and I was expecting this to be much better on my lips, but they just feel really weird. So that's like half hour of my life I'm never going to get back. I might try them a few more days and see how it goes and update you all on my Instagram, which is at KatieJewelsXOXO, by the way, and do that instead. So the next one we have to try, which I really am excited for, is this jewel rubber wrapping mask. Now there is actually a little sticky layer, and I don't know whether it covers anything, so I'm going to peel it off. So I'm not sure why they covered this with a sticker, but on here it says Moisture Barrier, the highly concentrated cream base in moisturising texture makes dry flaky skin feel smooth and soft. This is what it looks like. So first of all, you take this out. So this is what it looks like inside. It wasn't too bad to open. It could have been a little bit more something, like it could have just been a bottle that you squeeze on your face. Well, this is really good. So you have a tear at the top for that one, and there's a tear at the bottom for this mask. I'm really liking it. Oh, that's disgusting. Why is it so slimy? Oh my god. Look at that. I do like a really thin ham sandwich. I don't want to touch this. Ew. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh! Oh! Right, so it comes in 2 pieces. My hands are already covered, honestly. I don't know if you're supposed to put it over your eyes. There's like a little bit for your eyes in here. I don't know. I'm not joking, my hands are soaked. Right, this is massive. How big do they think people's faces are? I feel like Santa Claus. This does not fit on my face. I'm a superhero now. I've regretted everything. I already can't deal with this. It's like slipping off of my face. So it's been around 25 minutes now, and I've like, anyone I've messaged in the past 25 minutes, you will know that I can't wait to take this off. It's literally been slipping off of my face, and I've been going like this, I've been going like this, and it's just not working for me. Like, I was so excited to try this, and now I'm like, why? It smells like, it's got like an orangey smell almost. I'm not digging this. There's so much like, just like product on my face. I've just wasted nearly half hour of my time wearing a face mask that felt horrible and literally did nothing. The next thing I'm going to be trying, I have Cherry Blossom hand cream. I don't know if anyone's in the same boat as me. Obviously we've been told to wash our hands, and we wash our hands anyway, but more often than what we usually would, and I'm not joking you, my hands have been so dry. They've just felt horrible. First of all, look how cute this is. Straight away you can like smell it. Look how cute this is. Like, this would look so cute sat on a desk. It's got a film, that's good. Oh, that is, I'll tell you what that smells like. That smells like the cherry, like cherry scents you can get for your car. So we're gonna try some. I think you just take a bit like this and rub it in. My hands are really smooth. I say really, there's still a bit of product on. I think it probably takes a while to soak in properly, but so far like they feel really soft, which is really nice. The final mask that I have to put on is the acai berry, I think it's acai berry, I don't really know, revitalizing sleeping mask. So you basically put it on your face and then you rinse off the following morning. So we're gonna try that. It's like a clear gel. That's good, so I don't have to worry about getting it anywhere. But like, how am I supposed to see if it's on my face? It smells like lemonade.
So much. I was gonna start editing.
It really does smell like lemonade. I think that's the most I'm going to get out of it. If my face was laminated, this is what it would look like. Overall, the products I really like the bubble mask and how that made my skin feel. Like, it really tightened it up, and I feel like if I use that more often, it would really regenerate my skin and make it a whole lot better. The eye and lip mask literally did nothing for me, but I am going to continue using them over the next couple of days and then I will give an update on my Instagram on how I found them. The silicone mask, complete and utter waste of my time and my money for that matter. I was so excited to try it, but I've really been quite disappointed by it. And then this one, only time will tell, so we'll have to wait until tomorrow morning. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is now the following day, around 10ish. So I've had this mask on quite a while. I can't say it was the easiest to sleep in, and it's never actually fully dried, which I found a bit weird. But I'm gonna wash it off and let you know what my face feels like after. So this mask, I've just taken it off. I'm a little bit red from rubbing my face with a towel, but my skin is feeling pretty smooth, to be fair. It wasn't the easiest to sleep with because obviously it didn't dry, so I was like, right, okay, how am I supposed to sleep with this? So some of it probably did come off during the night, but most of it stayed on, and I'm quite happy with that. It's also really nice to be able to put glasses on again, because I haven't been able to wear glasses for the past, what, 12 hours maybe? It's brilliant. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Excuse the messy hair this morning. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you would like me to do, or any other like skincare products from different countries you'd like me to try, because I quite enjoyed this. Also subscribe to my channel so you see all my videos. Turn post notifications on so you get notified when I upload my newest video, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok at KatieJules XOXO, and I'll see you guys very soon for a next video. Bye!